How to scrape leads from Google Maps and enrich them. Want to turn Google Maps into a lead machine? Let's scrape and enrich business data step by step. So, step one, go ahead and search for businesses in your niche and location. So, for example, I want to look for dentists in Metro Manila. So I'll simply use that on the search bar and hit on enter, and that will take me here. So at the left side, you'd be able to find all of the available dentists on Metro Manila. And then extract data, collect names, addresses, phone numbers, websites, and reviews. You can copy manually or use scraping tools and extensions. Step 3, organize leads in Google Sheets. So create a Google Sheet or Excel file for lists, structure columns for easy filtering and tracking. Now you can enrich your leads using tools such as Apollo AI. Add missing info like email, social media, or owner names using enrichment tools or LinkedIn searches. So you can verify contacts, run emails through verification tools to avoid bounce rates, and confirm phone numbers. Segment your leads by niche, location, or rating. This helps tailor outreach campaigns for better results. Scraping and enriching Google Map leads is about discovery and organization. The real value comes from verified, enriched data used for ethical outreach.